Okay, Blair, I completed your plaque index, and I'll show you how I calculated it and got the percentage. So you have 28 teeth because you're missing your third molars. So I took 28 teeth, times it by 5 surfaces on each tooth, and I got 140. That's the bottom number. And then you had 66 places on the surfaces where you have plaque. So that's the top number. You divide 66 by 140, and I got 0.47. You can either move the decimal places 2 times to the right or times it by 100, and I got 47%. That's not a bad number, but we want to be at least under 20 or ideally 0. But we can work on that. I'll show you some techniques on toothbrushing and flossing in just a minute. But first, let's go over the surfaces where you have the most plaque. In the posterior part of the mouth, which is the very back, you had mostly on all surfaces, which we can work on that with the modified scrub or the foams to get rid of that. I'll show you that in a second. But right here in the anterior, you had a lot on the lingual, and then you had some facials, but a lot of it is interproximal, and what will help a lot with the interproximal, which is in between the teeth, is your flossing technique. Do you floss regularly?
Yeah, I try to every night. Sometimes I get too busy.
Okay, well we'll go over a technique that will help you get rid of most of that plaque, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions about how I got that number?
No, I think I understand it.
Okay. I'm going to show you a technique I like to use, and then I'll let you practice, okay?
Okay.
So, for the plaque that's mostly all around the teeth and the posterior part of the mouth, we use the foams technique. You put your toothbrush at a 90-degree angle, and you start in big, round, circular motions, coming all the way to the anterior part of the mouth, and switch over and do the same. Big, round, sweeping motions, okay? You want to try it? Now switch over. Good. That's good. I think you got that technique down pat. Alright, next is the modified scrub. You just take your toothbrush at a 90-degree angle again, covering the maxillary, which is the top teeth, and the mandibular, which is the bottom teeth, and scrub, 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 so you get all the way around. Good switch, scrub, 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 till you think you've got to where, you know, all the plaque's gone. Okay. And the next is the Bass technique. You'll take this, or do you want to, let's practice the modified scrub. That's good, Blair.
That one's easy.
So next is the Bass technique, and this time we'll take the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle up into the gingival sulcus, okay? With this one, we'll be doing vibratory motions for 10 seconds. So vibratory motions into the gingival sulcus for 10 seconds. If you want to make it modified, at the end of the 10 seconds, you sweep to the occlusal surface, which is the biting surface. And you just do that all the way around the mouth. Count to 10 for the vibratory motion, and then sweep to the occlusal to make it modified. Okay. You want to try?
Yeah.
That's the Bass. That make it modified. That's good. That's good. Now I forgot to show you one thing on the modified scrub brushing, and that's when you get to the anterior teeth, you can open a little and take the toothbrush at this angle to get the lingual surfaces right there, because you had some on your front teeth, the anterior teeth right here. So you just take that down like that. Let's try it. Very good. Now I need to show you a few ways for you to floss. take the floss with your middle finger right here. You wrap it a few times. Take it with this other finger. This is going to be what holds the floss. We'll take our 2 index fingers, which is your pointer fingers. Go between the contact. Make a C-shaped cut around the tooth. Come back out. You're going to wrap your finger around to get a new piece of floss. Go in the same contact and get the other side. Make a C-shaped cup around the tooth. And then you'll wrap again and continue with each tooth. Okay? You want to try? Good. Okay, do you have any questions about the brushing techniques or flossing that I showed you?
No.
Are you going to practice these at home?
Yeah.
That way we can get that plaque number, the index number down, okay?
Yep.
Have any other questions?
No.
Okay.